Good morning. Let's go outside. It's been raining off and on all morning, and I'm out here hoping that it doesn't continue raining. I think there's a leak in my tub because this was full yesterday. But anyway, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's been storming like a lot today, which is not fun for a Friday, personally. But it's alright. This plunge feels really good because after those sprints last night, your girl was not feeling that great. Even though the weather isn't that great, I feel like today's gonna be a good day. I don't have anything really groundbreaking. Just ready for whatever comes my way today. And I'm just excited for the weekend. So another great thing, I'm definitely trending down on the scale. This reset is working, so it's nice to see that the protocol is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I feel like the rain is symbolic because it's been a really rough week for me in like every aspect of life, but I feel like we're cleansing, we're starting over, ready for a fresh start. So that's how I'm gonna view it. But it is really cold out here. I'm gonna finish my coffee and get my day going. But of course, wherever you are, whatever you have going on today, I hope you have a great one. And I'll be back here tomorrow. Cheers.